Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are watching a movie on Netmirror and want to switch the audio to your preferred language, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to change the language of any movie in Netmirror quickly and easily. Whether you want to enjoy a film in its original language or find a dubbed version that is easier to follow, the process is very straightforward. Let us get right into it. First, open the Netmirror platform and select the movie you want to watch. Start playing the video. Once the movie starts playing, tap on the screen or hover your mouse to bring up the video controls. Look at the bottom right corner of the video player. You will see a settings icon which looks like a small gear. Click or tap on that gear icon. A small menu will pop up on your screen. In this menu, look for the audio track option, which may also be represented by a small 3 lines menu icon. Click on it. This will open a list of all the available audio languages for that specific movie. Keep in mind that available languages will depend on the specific movie file you are watching. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to hear. As soon as you click your preferred language, the movie's audio will instantly switch. You do not need to reload the page or restart the film. And that is it. You have successfully changed the language. If this quick guide helped you out, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.